Hello, welcome to Morek. My name is Marco, and today we have a great news for you with the new solutions. As beside the bus bars, we now also have quick bars for you. Our quick bar comes in different lengths, so you can choose exactly the size you need, and even if it's not enough, you can overlap them together. It's faster than regular bus bars. You don't need to worry about cutting them, you don't need to worry about the end caps, everything. It's much quicker and easier installation. So here you can see how easy it is to install Quickbar. So you can fit it exactly here, and it doesn't fit, but we can actually extend it with another one. Now you see one Quickbar has been connected here. Now you can just take another one, turn it around, and extend it here. See how easy that is? And now I will just connect the screws. But wait, there is more. So if you need to add an extra module here, you can just take the Quickbar out and extend it here easily and add a new module.